Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Liza and today I have a very interesting video for you guys. I'm very excited for this one because today I'm going to review an app. Yes, there is this app called Urban Company where you can book your salon and spa services for both men and women, and they also have some services for house cleaning and stuff like that. So today I am going to review their services and their app altogether. But before moving forward, let me just tell you here, this video is not at all sponsored. This is my honest review and totally depends on my own experience. Okay, and also the services, the quality of the service, it will vary from location to location depending on the beautician, of course. But overall, how the app works and stuff like that, I will talk about that. Let me first start with how to actually download the app and how to get started. So you will have to download this app called Urban Company. It looks like this. Yeah, it will be available on your Play Store or on your App Store. After downloading, you will have to provide your location. There are various services to select from. A lot of salon and spa services are available for both men and women. Also, they have house cleaning services and kitchen cleaning and bathroom cleaning, all kind of house cleaning services. So when you select any service, you go to checkout and you will get an option to choose membership or pay just one time. You can schedule any time slot according to your own convenience. So I have selected a pedicure for myself and I love getting pedicures, and especially if it is provided at your own convenience, at your own home, in your own space. It is amazing, guys. So theoretically this app sounds perfect, and also I have heard a lot of good things about the app, a lot of good reviews. So let's see how this works. I will see you when the beautician arrives at my place. My review will be depending on my entire experience with the beautician and the service she provides. So I will see you when she arrives. Before starting the routine, let's take a quick before shot. My feet look very dry and rough. As you can see, I don't have cracked heels, but my heels look extremely dry. So my beautician is here. She got a little late due to the heavy traffic, but it's fine. She carried all the equipments with her. We are all ready to start now. For my pedicure, she is using O3 plus bubble pedicure kit. Of course, we are going to start with removing my nail polish first. She added this bubble gel pouch to the water. So first she removed the superficial dead skin from my feet first. She is very gentle and made sure it doesn't hurt me. The gel water is ready now. The gel has started to form. So I'm just going to soak my feet in this gel for few minutes. It feels so nice, guys. The gel is not too hot, it's just slightly warm and it feels very soothing. very relaxing. Now this is a cleanser to cleanse my legs and feet. See, actually massage this cleanser all over my leg and my feet and massaged it for like 5 to 6 minutes. This entire process took around 20 minutes. She added a sea salt to the gel bath. The salt is going to melt the gel. Sea salt is actually very nice for our skin. It opens the pores and cleans the pores on our skin. I soaked my feet in here for around 20 minutes. Um, Now it's time for little filing of my nails. She is not going to trim, just file a little. She scraped my nails to remove all the dead skin and product buildups from my nails. This is very important to maintain a good nail health. Now next is a feet scrub. This is a bubble gum scrub. This is to remove the excess dead skin cell from my feet and my leg. She massaged the scrub very thoroughly on my legs and my feet. Now it is massage time. I love this part. She massaged my leg and feet for a good 15 minutes. It felt so nice, guys, very relaxing and very soothing. The massage gel also smelled very nice, very amazing. After massaging, she applied a mask to my legs and my feet. This mask is a deep hydration mask supposed to moisturize my feet and legs very deeply. This mask is perfect for anyone with extremely dry skin, perfect for this winter actually. We are supposed to leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes and then wash it off. At the end, she applied a nice nail paint. She dedicated a good 60 to 65 minutes on my pedicure, massaged my feet so nicely. She also made sure I felt relaxed. I really enjoyed her service, highly recommended, guys. She also maintained good hygiene and also cleaned up after the service was done. The only thing I would say is she should have applied a base coat before applying the nail polish and also missed the top coat. But other than that, the service was very nice. She made sure I had a good time. My feet looks very hydrated and clean and soft and smooth. I hope you enjoyed this routine. Bye.